up, Kurlz crew, and welcome again to my channel. If you are new here, I am Karen Kurlz. My channel features do-it-yourself beauty and also natural hair. So for do-it-yourself beauty, I know a lot of people are skeptical or nervous about trying to do things at home, especially doing nails and acrylics and things like that. But guys, I am learning right along with you here. When I started, I was doing press-on nails a year ago, okay? The pandemic has me saving so much money because I'm not going out to nail salons. Not that there's anything wrong with them. I used to save it for like special treats and things like that. But this year, I don't need to. I can treat myself. I can customize my nails to add as much bling as I want without worrying about every single extra diamond being, upcharged. So if this is something you guys are interested in, please keep watching. Seriously, just stay tuned.
Little Karen with a classy curl, a curly afro in a cut hair. Not a sheen when I try to relax her. Oh man, what a disaster. 23 when I cut it all off, 24 when I cut on natural.
Okay, crew, so first I am just going to be filing my nails so that I have a nice base for the gel to stick to with these nail tips, and then I'm just going to apply them and then file that down so that I have a nice smooth surface for when I apply the gel. So I am going to apply this with a dip powder, and if you guys are not familiar with this process, I do have another video that I posted. I'll make sure to put a link in the video as well as in the description box because this video it's just completely sped up. So I did do this about 3 times for each nail, and then I'm going to do the same thing for the other hand, so just keep watching. Next, I am just moving on to the activator, which you see here, and I'm just going to put that right over top of the acrylics, and then I'm going to allow this to dry. I do allow this to dry for about 15 minutes before I start to drill, so you guys will see this process, and I'll be back in a moment. So I am starting with the right hand done already, and I'm just going to do that on the other side. I'm going to create the shape on the other side, and I'm going to file it down and get it all ready so that I can start applying gems. I did want to make sure that I used my dominant hand so that you guys can see how I went over and drilled, and also so you guys can pay attention to some of the shaping that I'm going to do here, which you guys will see in a moment. But later, there's a ton of time that's being taken up for the gems. So stay tuned for that. Now I am just going to go in around my fingernails, and I'm just going to clean up around the cuticle area, and I'm going to make sure that any excess gel or any type of any product that is around my finger, this is just going to completely remove that and smooth that area out for me. And again, the same process, just going around that cuticle area, and then I am just going to buff out that fingernail and continue on to the rest of them. Now it is time for shaping. So what I do is I try and find the center of my fingernail, and then I try and visualize that to the top of the nail, and then I just take a little bit off of each corner because I'm trying to make my own version of like a sharp stiletto. And the reason why this is going to be a little bit more of like my version is because my nails are super short. I don't know if you guys go to nail salons and you want a certain shape and the nail tech will tell you, oh no, your nails are too short for that. Well, I found a way to be able to do it for myself. So the nail shape may not be exactly the same as what you are used to, but over time it will get better, and I am sure I'm going to get better at this. But anyway, I love the way that these turned out. These were in fact my birthday nails, you guys. So I had a ball with these nails and all of the glitter and shine. But anyway, back to the nails. Yes, I am just going to be taking a little bit from each side of each corner, and I'm just going to try and get that sharp shape all the way into the middle. So continue watching, and again, be back soon. now what you've all been waiting for. I know, guys, I play entirely too much. But yes, now we are finally at our blingage. So let's get these nails completely blinged out. Now, I didn't want to go for a full-on complete bling out with like every single finger, but I did want a little bit of something on every single one of my fingernails. This whole process took me about a half an hour because, guys, those gemstones are really, really small. The ones on my pinky are, and there's a whole bunch of different sizes. So I just wanted to make sure I had a really good, decent design that I could look at and it would be beautiful and you guys would like it because I care about what you think. Yes, I know, I'm so dramatic. Anyway, so yes, I am just going to continue to add these gems in here. So keep watching. Okay, guys, so we are pretty much getting to the end of this, and I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for being patient with me. I know this video is late. It is now spring, and this video was filmed back in February, but thank you guys for sticking it out with me, and I'm glad I got this out for you guys, so I hope you like it. So, what do you guys think? Do you like these gems? The reason why I love doing my nails at home is because you can customize it any way that you want to. And I know there are a ton of you that are going to be out here discouraged by it. But again, do not be discouraged because practice makes perfect. If you don't get it on the first try, you will definitely get it eventually, okay? And don't worry too much about it being absolutely perfect in the beginning because it may not be perfect, and that's okay. It is for you to wear, you to love, and you to save money. So if you guys like this video, please be sure to subscribe. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Till next time, bye.